am not a matcha lover, but I am a ube lover. And I like coffee too. So here at Daving, I got a ube coffee. Look at that. And the ube is looking so thick and creamy and oh, is that something on my lip? Oh, there's some more stuff on my. This is good. Wow, the coffee is strong, it's smooth, it's milky. And then the ube, it's sweet, it's creamy. It has a little coconutty taste. Wow. And they got that good ice, that good ice. Y'all know what that good ice is, that Chick-fil-A ice. Yummy.